Welcome to our guide on Ginkgo biloba, a tree that has been celebrated for centuries for its impressive health benefits. Today, we'll explore the advantages of using fresh ginkgo leaves and a simple method to extract their benefits by making juice. Ginkgo biloba, often referred to as a living fossil, is one of the oldest tree species on Earth. Its fresh leaves are packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, and terpenoids, which are known to support cognitive health, enhance circulation, and improve overall well-being. To harness these benefits, you can easily prepare fresh ginkgo leaf juice or brew a tea from the leaves. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. First, gather a handful of fresh ginkgo leaves. Make sure they're thoroughly washed to remove any impurities. Step 2. Next, place the leaves into a blender and add about 1 cup of clean, filtered water. This helps in breaking down the leaves and releasing their nutrients. Step 3. Blend the mixture on high for about 30 seconds until the leaves are finely chopped and fully integrated with the water. Step 4. Once blended, pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. This will separate the liquid from the leaf pulp, leaving you with a vibrant green juice. Your fresh ginkgo biloba juice is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it as is or mix it with other juices for a refreshing boost. You may also add this powerful green mixture into your favorite tea to create a tea that will literally rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Alternatively, you can brew a tea of the leaves by themselves using the same method you would for any other herbal tea. By incorporating ginkgo biloba leaf juice into your routine, you can tap into the powerful benefits of this ancient plant. Whether you're seeking cognitive support or a natural way to enhance your overall health, ginkgo biloba is a great addition to your wellness regimen. We hope you have enjoyed watching. To place your order for our fresh ginkgo biloba leaves, picked fresh to ship to your door, simply visit us online at www.ginkgotherapy.com.